guys, welcome back to another video. Cooking with Mimi, cooking with Mimi. It wasn't creamy enough. It was not even hot. It just wasn't tasty enough in its original form. So I kind of helped it out a little bit, added my own sauce. Now I'm going to give it a taste. Also, when I added some garlic salt to it, I made it way too salty. I can't ever please you. Okay, we're going to add some garlic salt. We just took it out the microwave. Now he's complaining about there are sections of it that's hard because we put it in the microwave.
It's not even hot.
I think I put way too much. I think I put too much garlic salt.
Oh my god, it's salty.
No, it's salty. So this time around, I just added some heavy cream and some grated Parmesan cheese, waited until my sauce thickened, and then I added my leftovers to the pot. And now I have a creamy chicken Alfredo. This actually tastes really good. It tastes better. My sauce is extremely thick. I don't even think when I make my Alfredo it's this thick. But that's just combining all the ingredients that was in the original dish with a little bit of my homemade Alfredo sauce. And I definitely think if you do that, you probably can put it back in the baking tray and then put it to bake for about 5 minutes. Sprinkle some cheese on the top, maybe some mozzarella cheese on the top, and then make it into a baked Alfredo. And I think that would make it so much better. The original version is just bland. It's just not good. That's just my review. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.